The truth awaits in the dark. True story.
In 1799, a dead specimen arrived at a laboratory in London. The British scientists who unpacked the crate were not amazed. They were deeply insulted. They grabbed surgical scissors and furiously tried to cut the invisible stitches they believed were holding the creature together. They thought a taxidermist had sewn the severed beak of a duck onto the hairy body of an oversized rat just to mock them. But as the metal blades scraped against the skin, they realized the horrifying truth. There were no stitches. The flesh, the fur, the leathery beak, it was all organically connected. It was real. Welcome to the Verdict Files. Today, we investigate a creature that should not exist. A living, breathing anomaly that breaks every biological law on Earth. This is the platypus. Hidden in the cold, murky rivers of eastern Australia, it is classified by science as a mammal. But nature did not build this animal to follow our rules. Mammals give birth to live young, but the female platypus retreats into a dark, suffocating underground burrow to lay leathery eggs, exactly like a reptile. She waits in the pitch blackness until they hatch. When the blind, helpless young emerge, the rules shatter once again. The mother has no nipples to feed them. Instead, she sweats milk. A thick, nutrient-dense liquid literally oozes directly out of her skin, pooling deep in her fur where the babies blindly lick it off. It is a primitive, deeply unsettling display of survival. But the true nightmare of this creature is unleashed when it hunts. When a platypus dives into the cold water, it completely seals its eyes. It shuts its ears. It closes its nostrils. It becomes intentionally blind, deaf, and unable to smell. Yet, it is an apex predator in its environment. That bizarre, rubbery beak is not just a mouth. It is an advanced biological radar array, packed with tens of thousands of microscopic electroreceptors. It detects the faintest electrical pulses generated by the muscle twitches of its prey hiding under the mud. It maps an invisible, glowing world of biological electricity while swimming in absolute darkness. And if you ever corner one, you will discover its most classified secret. Hidden inside the fur of the male's hind legs are sharp, hollow spurs connected to a highly toxic venom gland. It is one of the only venomous mammals on the planet. The venom is not designed to kill you, but it targets the nervous system directly. It causes a mind-numbing, excruciating agony that can last for weeks or even months. Standard painkillers and even hospital-grade morphine are completely useless against it. This creature is not a biological joke. It is a Frankenstein built by nature itself, a dark reminder that our scientific classifications are fragile, and out there in the dark, evolution creates whatever it takes to survive. Stay safe. Watch your step. This has been the Verdict Files. The truth awaits in the dark.
The truth awaits in the dark.